Hello, welcome to the second blog post in this beginner data science project walkthrough series. My name is Adam Morris and I'm glad that you're here. Of course, this blog post is connected to the previous blog post from Juwon Ki-ho, a practical tutorial for a beginner data science project using the Titanic Kaggle dataset. Similarly to her blog post, I'm going to be adopting the same format and strategies and providing similar resources as we work through this together. My goal here is to help you get another chance to practice data science and build on your data science skills. I will walk you through each section of the project, so not to worry. And we'll have videos for each section so that you have another mode of learning to accompany what you read in the text. So I will try to use language that is understandable for beginners. I am a beginner myself, and I have empathy for where you are, and I know that it's can be overwhelming and kind of scary and inaccessible at times, even though there are tons of resources out there to help you. But I know the challenge, I know the struggle, and so my goal here is to provide you the code and to provide you the tools and to walk you through doing another data science project. And my hope is that you'll learn. I will provide links so that in certain places so that you can read more and that you can grow in your skill set and grow in your confidence level, because if you try and you work hard, you can do it. So we'll start off with a quote from Vincent van Gogh: "As practice makes perfect, I cannot but make progress. Each drawing one makes, each study one paints is a step forward." And I believe that's true for him, and I believe that's true for you and I as well. So look forward to going through this process with you together. And again, this will not be like a panacea or an end-all, solution for you. This is just a step forward, another practicing opportunity, another opportunity for you to build your portfolio of work and your confidence level and your knowledge level in the data science field. So let's begin this together. Post any comments you need in the comment section or questions, and I look forward to speaking with you in the next video. Thank you for watching.